You think you should remember about social media etiquette? About what's that in the current events we discussed with Teacher May last 2018? Yes, current events about social media etiquette. That means how to use social media. Oh, I was with Jude Goles, I was with Jens Manaid. You should remember this, Paulo Cruzada. How to use social media. You know, for me, I never want to argue with you. I don't want to curse you a bad words. Why I curse you a bad words? Because I know you you attack the CDIFI teachers and even the other staff. Oh, including Kuya Joel. Oh, Joel Talentino. Oh, you remember Kuya Joel? The staff, the friend of Ate Emily. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada. Do not harass everyone, even Teacher Evelyn. You know, everyone, they're angry at you because you're messaging and you're attacking anybody. You're spamming everyone. For example, when you say about rape at Shania Kiana, like what you said before, you said in Tagalog words, you said, "Gasahin kita, Shania Kiana." Remember, Paulo Cruzada, like I said before, your the parents of Shania Kiana had reported to barangay and they filed the complaint affidavit against you. Oh, there's lots of complaint affidavit against you, Paulo Cruzada. Teacher May had filed the complaint affidavit against you. Oh, even Joseph Maspina's uncle had filed the complaint against you, or a complaint affidavit against you. And not even just that, even aside from Teacher May, um, the mother of Paula Colin Nunez, Tita Sita, had filed the complaint affidavit against you, Paulo Cruzada. You edited her as a naked photo. You see, Paula is very shocked, and what she said before, like, what was Paula said? So, bakit ako ninedit ni Paulo Cruzada? Like naked photos. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, you should be ashamed of yourself. You know, your mother had said to you, you are a special child, like what you said before, what was his mother said? Uh, Paulo Cruzada is really a special child. He knows me in CDIFI. Oh, when I was there. Why did you do that to everyone? Oh, people are complaining at you, Paulo Cruzada. Lorraine Shook has already filed the complaint affidavit against you. Oh, you're threatening hostage at her, or you're threatening make a harassment or death threats. You know, Paulo Cruzada, have a shame to yourself. Have a shame to your to your family and your friends. Otherwise, people will don't like you anymore. Oh, people will deserve you. They don't really like you. Oh, for what you did to everyone. Oh, that is your consequence, Paulo Cruzada. People don't deserve you to forgive you. Like I say to you, that is your consequence. You're the one who make a bomb joke. Davao City, Metro Manila. At least he never mentioned about the place of Nanay Ningning, Germany. Oh, you mentioned about Germany, you mentioned about Japan, Nagoya, Tokyo, Osaka. You make a bomb joke, even Berlin, even Frankfurt. You make a bomb joke. And even in place of Russia, Moscow, Tehran, Iran, even in China, in the place like Hong Kong and Macau. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you are really worse than than um, than John Dan Ramirez. You are really worse. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, make a public apology and you should learn about your lesson. And people will never forgive you. That is your deserve, your consequence.